Inversion in English. Flipping the norm. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating aspect of the English language, inversion. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what inversion is but also know how and when to use it. Let's flip our understanding around and explore inversion together. In the simplest terms, inversion means reversing the usual order of words in a sentence, particularly the subject and the verb. In standard English, we often follow a subject-verb-object pattern. For example, she is a teacher, but with inversion, this order changes. Rarely is she late. There are specific scenarios where inversion is applied in English. 1. Emphasis, to emphasize a point or make a sentence more dramatic. 2. Never have I seen such a beautiful sunset. 3. Questions. Most questions in English use inversion. 4. Are you coming to the party? 5. Negative adverbs or adverbial expressions. When sentences begin with certain negative adverbs or adverbial expressions like seldom, rarely, or only then. 6. Seldom do we realize the importance of health until we lose it. 7. Conditional clauses without if, sometimes, especially in formal writing. If is omitted and the verb is inverted. 8. Had I known about the meeting, I would have come earlier. While using inversion can make your speech and writing more varied and interesting, there are common mistakes to avoid. 1. Overusing inversion. It's a powerful tool, but using it too often can make your speech sound unnatural. 2. Inverting with all negative adverbs. Not every negative adverb requires inversion. 3. Incorrect. Never I have been to Paris. 4. Correct. Never have I been to Paris. Tips. Practice makes perfect. Try creating your own sentences using inversion. Reading literature can provide many examples of inversion, helping you understand its usage in context. Inversion, though seemingly complex, is a beautiful aspect of the English language, adding nuance and emphasis to our expressions. We hope this video has shed light on this topic and given you the confidence to play around with word order. Remember, language is not just about rules, but also about expression and creativity. Happy learning and see you in the next video.